Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to give Spotify access to download any song on your data on your phone. And this is quite simple, but you need to know one simple setting, and I will show you this as quick as possible how we can fix this. So from here we click on the profile picture left in the top and then click on settings and privacy. Then from here we go to audio quality and then we scroll down. Right here at download, you see here the option to decide how you want to download it on low, normal, high or very high. But under there's an option download using mobile data. And it says please keep Spotify open and your screen unlocked. Downloads will be paused if your device is idle for more than 2 minutes. But if you turn this one on, then you can download songs or give Spotify access to download songs on your mobile data. And this is exactly how you can fix this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.